Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that every home cook should consider, the Cuisinart SmartStick 2-speed hand blender, also known as the CSB-175P1. We found this product online and have added a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes this immersion blender stand out. First off, the Cuisinart SmartStick is powered by a robust 300-watt DC motor, which provides impressive blending power while still operating quietly. This means you can whip up your favorite smoothies or puree soups in just seconds, effortlessly tackling even the most demanding tasks. One of the standout features of this blender is its 2-speed control. With a simple fingertip slide, you can easily switch between high and low speeds. This intuitive design makes it incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to adjust the blending speed to your needs with just one touch. Plus, it includes a pulse feature, which is perfect for those moments when you need short bursts of high-speed blending for precise results. Now, let's discuss the blending shaft. The Cuisinart SmartStick comes with an 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft that is designed to reach deep into bowls, pots, and pitchers. This means you can blend directly in your cooking container, saving you time on cleanup. Along with the blending shaft, you also get a mixing/measuring cup, a chopper/grinder, and a chef's whisk, making this a versatile tool for various kitchen tasks. Speaking of the mixing cup, it has a 24-ounce capacity and is designed for easy gripping and drip-free pouring. This is especially handy for blending drinks, shakes, salad dressings, and more. The thoughtful design of the cup ensures that you can blend and serve with confidence, without worrying about messy spills. So, who is this immersion blender suitable for? Well, if you're a busy parent looking to whip up nutritious baby food in a flash, or if you enjoy experimenting in the kitchen with smoothies, soups, and sauces, the Cuisinart SmartStick is a fantastic choice. It's also great for culinary enthusiasts who appreciate the convenience of handheld appliances without compromising on performance. Now, let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine coming home after a long day and wanting to make a quick, healthy dinner. With the Cuisinart SmartStick, you can easily blend up a creamy butternut squash soup right in the pot. Or perhaps you're planning a weekend brunch and want to create delicious homemade smoothies for your family. This blender can handle fruits, vegetables, and ice with ease, ensuring a smooth consistency every time. Another great use case is for making homemade sauces. Whether it's a fresh pesto or a classic marinara, the Immersion blender simplifies the process, allowing you to blend your ingredients directly in the pot. And don't forget about whipping up a batch of homemade salad dressing. This blender will help you achieve the perfect emulsification quickly and effortlessly. In summary, the Cuisinart SmartStick 2-speed hand blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that can make your cooking experience much more enjoyable. With its strong motor, easy-to-use controls, and thoughtful features, it's designed to help you tackle a variety of blending tasks with ease. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.